Okay, today we're going to work on the 2017 Chevy Malibu, and what we're going to do is the throttle body. We're going to pull that off and clean it with said throttle body cleaner. Okay, now you got four 10mm bolts, and you have an electronic connection, I guess, under this pipe. You got to pull this off. This is the intake. There's a little doojammy in here you got to pull out, and then this will come off. Then you do your electric, and then there's four bolts. Take it out, spray it with the cleaner, wipe out everything real good, make sure there's no black left in there, and put it back together. I'll show you a little bit more as I go. Okay, to get this top thing off, you just take your screwdriver, you push in there, you see how that comes off? Then you're going to grab it with your fingers and then pull it off. Okay, let's slide back, and when you look down in there, look how nice and dirty that is. Okay, we're going to clean all that up. You see how there's residual oil? There, look at my thumb. That means this is sucking oil out of somebody probably overfilled it, and you're getting oil sucked up through there. Okay, that's what the problem was. We also have the code P. I think it's a P1101. I'll check it before I post the video, but that's what it should be. All right. And the electronic connection is right there. You pull that little thing up there. Can you see the little gray thing? You're gonna have to pull that up and then pull the connection off. Okay, there you can see the throttle body comes out. You can see how dirty it is. See if I can get you in there, but that's not supposed to look like that. See how greasy and grimy it is in there? We're gonna spray the throttle stuff in there, and I'll show you another. Okay, there's the difference of clean. We'll make sure everything in there is nice and clean. As much as you can. There's a little bit still left in there, but that little tiny bit shouldn't matter. I'll wipe it out again. I see some there in the bottom. That's probably off my fingers or the brush that I cleaned it out with. But you get the idea that it's getting cleaner and cleaner and cleaner.